Deep cleaning on PC. Thank you, Sir Leando, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A full and detailed deep cleaning service was performed on the desktop PC to ensure optimal airflow, prevent overheating, and maintain stable system performance. The process began with the careful shutdown and disassembly of the system unit, including the removal of the side panels, access to all internal components such as the CPU, GPU, RAM, power supply unit, PSU, motherboard, cooling fans, and storage drives. Over time, dust and debris had accumulated inside the case, particularly around the cooling fans, heat sinks, power supply, and air vents. Using anti-static brushes, compressed air, and a mini vacuum, all dust particles were carefully removed without damaging any components. The cleaning focused on clearing obstructions that could block airflow or lead to thermal inefficiency. The cooling system received special attention. Fan blades were cleaned, filters were cleared, and the old thermal paste on the CPU was removed and replaced with a fresh application of high-quality thermal compound to improve heat dissipation. If a GPU was present, it was also cleaned externally and internally if needed. After all internal components were cleaned, the system was reassembled and final diagnostics were run to verify that all fans were spinning correctly, temperatures were within safe limits, and the system was running smoothly without thermal throttling or abnormal noise. This deep cleaning service has effectively reduced internal temperatures, extended hardware lifespan, and restored the PC to a cleaner, more efficient state, ensuring reliable and long-term performance. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.